What's good, y'all? This real life, and this is real Will. Back with another video. We just gonna have to do a little quick tutorial on how to install the pedal commander inside your vehicle, step by step. You know, if you do purchase one, then you'll know how to do it. So let's just get this started. Hold up, wait a minute. Let's get this cold start in. So we straight to it, man. We gonna do it like on some San Andreas type shit, man. Stop playing with him. As a matter of fact, we finna. I might look stupid, but we finna do this with this closed. Cause I just wanna hear how damn, it's dark. I just wanna hear how good it sounds. I haven't put it in the garage yet, but let's go ahead and start this off. Cool. God damn! It's been a couple days, y'all. It's been a couple days. It's been a couple days. All right, guys. First of all, we got the pedal commander right here. It has two, don't know what you call it, but this is the main one you want to connect to the one that's already plugged in. So this is the lock right here as well. All right, so first what you want to do, you could just take one side off, which will be, there's going to be a pin right here and also one right here. I already took this off, but it's gonna have some time for you to tug on it on taking it off, so it might be a little difficult at first, but you'll get it. I got it. See, it's already difficult. You want to take that off? Pedal's in the way. There we go. Had to cut the flash on, but yeah, once you take this cover off right here, you'll look up to your right and you'll see this right here. And then all you want to do is you just want to just take it off. How you would do that, there's something to push in order for it to detach. Let me see if I can figure it out. I forgot. I think there's a little clip on the side. Yeah, there's a little clip on the left side of it. Once you take that off, you'll go ahead and grab your pedal commander and the one with the lock on it. That's the one you're gonna be replacing from this right here. So yeah, like I said, from the pedal commander, the one with the lock on it. Just push that in there like that. Click it in, push that down. And then the other one that comes with the pedal commander, the one we detached, we're gonna attach that together. So that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm using one hand, so I'll do that real quick. But yeah, I just did it. And I don't know what the hell this little scribbly line is. I don't care what's under here, but what is that? Anyways, yeah, it's all put back together and it'll run down. You feel me? You could play with the cord and whatnot, but I'm just gonna put it right here and then just tuck the cord in a little more. But it also comes with the Velcro as well, and on the stickiness on the back where you could just put it on right there. But yeah, y'all, this is a little quick tutorial on how to do that for the pedal commander. For y'all who's new, please like and subscribe. It goes a long way. You know, I already get love. It could be a little bit of love. It could be big love, but I feel the love with y'all, man. Y'all my brothers. If there's females watching out here, I mess with y'all too. But yeah, let's get it though. This real life and this real Will. Y'all stay safe, be healthy. Peace.